Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to add an invitation to your Outlook account or calendar on Evite. So the first thing is to click on your profile picture here and then click on my invitations. It should bring you to a page where all your invitations are arranged and you can select anyone to edit. So once the page is loaded, click on manage events for the particular event you want to add to your calendar on Outlook. So once it brings you to this particular page, just click on the option button here, then click on event notification setting. So once you've chosen that, just wait for the page to load, and then a menu a pop-up menu by the right would appear with, yes, this is it, and you can actually schedule up to two events, like two reminders, sorry, with one with a range of 3 days, 1, 2 and 3 days. So but that's not what we are here for. You can also do that. Just scroll down and just after the card itself, this is the title of the event, this Zoom. uh, I labeled it as that. So for the calendar, just click on add calendar. You would see three options: add to Google Calendar, add to Apple Calendar, and then add to Outlook Calendar. Click on Outlook and it would automatically connect to your Outlook account if you've signed in, or if you've not signed in, you can sign in now and it will be added to your Outlook calendar. So if you've enjoyed this, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Please subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.